Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victoria Adejo, and today I have an amazing thing to discuss with all of us. I feel like everyone will basically learn from this topic, and it's on personal hygiene. This is very important. Call your friends, call your neighbors. You know that person that you know that doesn't smell really nice, please send them this video, like share with them, like this video. And if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, like, what are you waiting for? What exactly are you waiting for? Just subscribe. Okay, so today, like I said, I'll be talking about personal hygiene. And personal hygiene is a way of taking care of your own personal self, of you caring for your physical body, right? For your physical self. It's nothing spiritual, it's just you caring for your physical body. So I'll be talking about how you can take care of yourself. Okay, so move with me. About 5 areas of your body that you should take good care of, and how you should actually take care of them. Okay, so why don't you go with me? So let's go to the 5 things I'll be talking about on this episode. The first thing I'll be talking about is your body hygiene. I'll be talking about your mouth hygiene. I'll be talking about your hair hygiene. I'll be talking about your hands hygiene, and I was talking about your pretty hygiene. So let's move into this. The first, like I said, is your body's hygiene. How do you take care of your body? The first thing I'd love to talk about is you need to take your bath at least twice. I know many people, we've said it a lot of times, and we've read it in lots of articles and journals that people should take their bath at least once. But like, we are Nigerians, you know the situation of things in this country now. You know the way we hustle day in, day out. So we need to take our bath twice, because you've gone through rigorous activities, you've had lots of sweat during the day, and you need to take your bath at night, especially when you get back from work. Just take your bath at night. So the first thing is, take your bath twice in a day. Yeah, Nigerians, we need to do that to smell better. Like, let's make it better for each and every one of us. Okay, take your bath twice in a day, morning and at night. And besides, when you take your bath at night, it just helps you relax properly, you sleep well, you have good dreams. You don't have dreams about you falling from from the clouds, from the skies. So please take your bath like twice. And another thing I'll be talking about is scrubbing your body well. You're not in a soap advert. Don't take your bath and be like, scrub that body. Scrub your body well. You need to, like, there are debts on your body. You're washing off debts from your body. So you need to scrub. Like, don't go and use or how do they call it in English? Iron sponge. Don't go and use iron sponge, use normal sponge, but scrub your body well. You need to scrub your body well. It's really important. I don't know the other way to say it, but like, it's essential that you scrub your body well. Like, you need to do that. Another thing that I'll be talking about in this segment is changing your clothes. Many of us, some people, let me not use many of us because I'm not one of you. Okay, some people will wear clothes twice. Like, why? For what purpose? Like, what purpose? What are you trying to prove? Stop it. Wear your clothes once, especially if you've gone through rigorous activities during the day. Like I said, you've had the sweat out, everything is on your clothes. Your neck, the neck is dirty, the armpit is dirty already, and you're putting it on another new day, a brand new day that God has made. No, don't spoil your day by smelling bad. Okay, change your clothes. Even if you're going to use perfume, even if you're going to use body spray, change your clothes. Don't wear a dress twice. Try changing it. And another thing, use a good spray. Don't use something too choky, something that will shock everybody. Don't use that. Use something mild, something nice, something that people will appreciate. Use something a little bit more classy. If you don't know how to choose perfume, take people who are good with smells and something nice and all that with you whenever you go shopping for perfumes. That's it. And another thing that I'll be talking about is they need to shave your hand. The reason why you need to shave your armpits is because your armpits, the hair, right, it retains moisture. When you sweat out, the sweat gets dried up on the skin, then it oozes out some smell that you do not like, smells that are not palatable to anyone around you and even to yourself. So just do the shaving, do the cleaning from time to time. If your hair grows fast, shave like once in a week. And then if it doesn't, like once in 2 weeks, just make sure that place isn't too full to make everything under your armpit so wet. The next point for me will be mouth hygiene, and in this segment I'll be talking about brushing of your teeth. When I was in secondary school, what I was always told is the importance of brushing of the teeth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. No one ever said brush your tongue, which is one of the essential parts in your mouth that needs to be brushed. Brush your tongue. Your tongue is not meant to be whitish, it's meant to be pinkish. Yeah, that kind, not white. You see some people open their tongue and the color you're seeing is white. It's meant to be pinkish. So brush your tongue alongside brushing your teeth. And even when I went to the dentist, I was told, I was trained on how to brush my teeth. You go in a circular motion. It's not it's supposed to be in a circular motion, okay? And like I said, I've spoken about brushing the tongue. I need to speak about using mouthwash. Yeah, you need to use your mouthwash after brushing. Just gargle it and then throw it out. It really works. It just helps to kill bacteria that are still not meant to be there. And another point I'll be talking about here is the need to I'm coming. You need to floss your teeth. It's really important. Use dental flosser. It's really important. Don't use toothpick whenever you have something stuck in your teeth. Use dental flosser. It's better than like your wooden toothpick. I mean, it's really much better than that, because toothpick the wooden part may get broken in your teeth and you wouldn't know that, and then cause damage to your teeth. I've been there before, so it's really an experiential warning. I don't know if there's anything like that experiential, but like just take it like that. Okay, moving on to the third point, which will be hand hygiene. Hands hygiene. Sorry. Which will be hands hygiene. Oh my god, this is one member of our body that goes everywhere, that goes to everywhere. When you want to scratch your head, your hand is in your head, your ears, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your neck, your back. Like, this is one member of your body that goes everywhere in your body, and also almost everywhere in other people's body. So you need to take care of it, because it's one member of your body that brings germs, pathogens, microorganisms into your body. So you really do need to deal well with your hands. Wash your hands. Use your hand sanitizer. I don't know. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, use your hand sanitizer. This one is almost expired. It's expiring next month. This is 2020 shade. But yeah, you need to use your hand sanitizer. It's really important, especially when you know you're working in a place where you can easily get infected, even if you're not working there. And there are times you should wash your hand, especially when you wake up from sleep. Before doing any activity for the day, just wash your hand. When you get back from work, wash your hand. Before you leave work, wash your hands. And when you get back from work, wash your hands, because along opening the door, you've touched some things that are filled with microorganisms. And believe me, this is not something you want to introduce to your system, especially people who are doctors, who are professionals like medical laboratory scientists, nurses, things you deal with on a daily. You do need to wash your hands on a daily and sanitize almost every time. So yeah, moving to the hair segment, there are things you should do to your hair. First, let it breathe. Enough of the wearing of wigs on a daily, and making so uncomfortable hairstyles, right? Let your hair breathe, let your head breathe. Only the ategun alafia, it needs fresh air. Let your hair breathe, okay? Another thing is, don't use too much oily substance. Let not your scalp be let not your scalp, it sounds like I'm reading the scriptures. Let not your head be excessively oily, okay? Just minimize that, and wash your hair regularly. It's really important. Wash your hair regularly. Take care of your hair. Don't allow it to be oozing, don't allow it to be sweating. Because why I'm saying you should wash your hair regularly is because when you sweat on the scalp. Now see, you have lots of hair, even more than one you have under your armpit, on your head, and it sweats. And once it's sweating like that and it's not been washed, it's not been dried, nothing is being done to it basically, then it retains the sweat, like it gets dried up and begins to smell. And for people who make just one hairstyle for a long period of time, please just don't do that. Try washing the hair. Or one thing I did when I made knotless braid was that I had these wet wipes. I'll just clean in between and everything, clean the cream, clean every dirt that I settled in, clean the sweat and everything, then apply my oil and that. So you can also do that. Like, that's me just talking. To the fifth point, which is how to take care of your baby girl. Your pretty on this is that you need to let it breathe. Let it breathe. Don't wear pants in the morning, pants in the night, and that place isn't even having time to breathe. Don't wear tight pants like jean all the day long without allowing it to breathe. Wear loose some things. Wear cotton underwears. It's been said over and over and over again. Wear cotton underwears from time to time. I was having this discussion at work with my colleagues, with my senior colleagues, and I heard some disturbing things that day. Something about ladies using the menstrual pants, like the pants they used for their menstruation a day before the next day, because they didn't stain the pants. Like, these things are wrong. Change that, my ladies. Change that, and change your sanitary pads. It's meant to be used 4 to 6 hours, but you can use 2 in a day, just depending on your flow. If you flow out a lot, change. If it's money, you can. If it's money, I don't know what you can do, but like, just buy the cheaper parts or use a clean napkin. Have a clean napkin that you wash with jig regularly, and maybe you use that. I really don't know how healthy that is, but for people who find it difficult to buy pad, that's what I'm talking about. So just take care of your down there. Take care of your pretty as much as you're taking care of your face. I've spoken about the body hygiene. I've spoken about the mouth hygiene. I've spoken about the hair hygiene. I've spoken about the hands hygiene, and I've spoken about the pretty hoo-ha hygiene. So I hope that we take this into record. If you enjoyed this episode, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I really appreciate that. Thank you for joining me on this episode. Till next time. Why is this thing sound like, I just noticed, guys, if it's disturbed you in any way or the other, please pardon that. And I guess that will be all for today, right? Should I share a story? No, bye.